So ngicela kusasa lelithuba sibonge nje ukuthi nitinike isikhathi nito ngenelela le presentation yethu yema under 17 hub utility stores. So i-tournament ke lena cishe senamahlandla minyaka neminyaka bayasichasa abaka hub utility stores and sibona i-progress lenkulu kakhulu. Ngishiye youth development officer wami tangibulala ngale ani umabhalane wami leli committee Mr Senzo Motsa siyamati. Ngicela ngingakaqali nje sishayele libandla lamntanje. Yes, kanjalo ngivusene nebetindzaba bo director bemaqembu badlali ngibona basihlanganisile la. Ngicela lokuchaza lokuthi ema team lonyaka akhulile Mr Chairman asuke from 65 aya ku 77. Saba ngabona nje baka Happy Utility Stores ukuthi benta umsebenzi lomkhulu kanganani. Instead usa decline Mr CEO ayakhula. Ngijabulile nje ngibona la itolo ukuthi ingene nasemantombazaneni. Mina ke ngiyathanda usinamantombazana abe khona. Mam one nje lokubeka behind ukuthi establish i-team yamantombazana in my school. So lokho sibokukhuthaza bekunene kuthiwa women empowerment noma girl child whatsoever lapho nje uyadidla kahle. So utakuchaza ukuthi kuyini. So lama team ethu ayakhula. Ngifuna nje kubonga kakhulu ku team yaka hub. The CEO nalaba ke laba on the ground marketing officer Mr Derek Dan na Siskhumbi long marketing and chief branding basebenta lichaza lelikhulu because they also empower us with skills. Lana nje Mr CEO Hub Utilities ke saba ne class bafunza abantwana and I was part of that class. Kwamina ngimdzala nje ngaba empowered because our role as sibane charisha ngale football skill ufuna siphinze siba empowerish ngendlela yekuphila so that they can be responsible citizens. Lo kwendekile ke la sidlalisile although abayabe khona lama challenges kulamanye ama leagues but nje inqumbi yawo sekavuthiwe like bombabane bolobamba bosigangeni bomdzimba they are doing well. Khona sisacathutisa lengaba but badlalile engihappy ngako lokufaka ekhathi nasemaphalaleni sisacathutisa nakhona bayikhiphile champion emdzimba nje sibene Barcelona esigangeni sabane tikitaka emaphalaleni sabane 11 piece engaba sabane superstars kalobamba sabane ma golden kings sembabane sabane super sport. So ezibadlala lama champs of champs shothi kuqhamuka bo champagne in each zone batodlala I champs of champs. Cishe wonke umuntu ke uyayijabulele le tournament ye champs of champs because ngila kugejwana khona lo ukuthi yemngami ngale kakho upheka ini kuyaye kulethe I competition lethide because kuma juniors we don't promote money, we promote development. It's not about money. So siyasendelango my incentives to motivate lama athletes. So badlalile ke bong 6 Mr Chairman bashayana baqala kuma round robin ekseni bashayana wathi laba bangema champions bahamba bodlala ifinal. I-final yakulenye group ya leadwa I-Golden Kings, yalenye group which is group B ya leadwa I-Super Sport. Base ke bayadlala kuma final bashayana. Lo muhle umdlalo lobo sezingeni lelikhulu lapha ePrince of Wales yawina I-Super Sport from Babane idla I-Golden Kings from Lobam. So uyabona nje ukuthi la ngala sa well established vele afika afake limamasela but nje ezisidlala vele sitawugcila kule season kufuna sidlalise lo mnyaka longuwo kufuna ukuthi ngalelanga kudlala lama Champions of Champs lo mntwana still under 17 angazi nasadlala ema Champions of Champs bese ukhanza ukuthi sona 18 years so lokho sidakunaka nje kakhulu ukuthi nayo kudlala ama Champions of Champs kufuna kube kunyama under 17 not sekunema under 18 kuyaye kubukeke ngathi it's age cheating so ngicela ukuthi ke nama team akhumbule ukuthi si register office asibese sesiyaganga we are on the bench nje sikhuluma namabhalana ukuthi ngabe singayinormalize njani le registration yema juniors washo ukuthi kufuna sikhulume nadlakahle basendele ngalendlela yakhona ukuregister so that labantwana bavele bangene ku system basebancane because la ekakhulu embabane lobamba sinawo lama categories from under 13 up to under 19 so ngiloko nje cishe lokahle and kufisela nje ikomiti leli sidlalisele kulibongela nje kusilesendele kahle lo msebenzi kwabade tihibe although ezisihamba kulama region kuyaye kube khona lo complainer ngalabo age cheating we discourage that my team asibeni honest mangabe kumdlalo wakho bayamsola phatha iproof siyayisibona bo build it nabo umdlalo wakho bayamsola uyaye uphathe le proof ngoba uyambona nawe ukuthi lona unethambo lelize phatha iproof phela abatozi nabathu sibukana dasida lo taw minimize le age cheating siya discourage nje age cheating sibaka ho on the other hand ngicela kubabongela chairman mina ngingu development laba bengamashambo champagne iSuper Sport United from Babane ngicela sishaye intanga so sengigcina chairman ngiyacela sinesifiso sokuthi le tournament ifuna ngathi ingadlala kulowo mnyaka ingagabanci kulolo muntu so ngiyathemba nje sasikhulumisana nesponsor nathi sikushaktele la office sikulungise because ekugcineni we don't want semanda 17 khanza sibo form 4 form 5 so basuke ba critical stage of their education so kufuna ukuthi bangabi disturbed especially during October November babhale ma exams zabo because we at the same time promote development yebhola and we also promote their education so that batoba ngama responsible citizens siyabonga.